This is what you gotta do when you wear white shoes and you live in Denver and it snows. So you gotta see how it's dry and it's kind of wet in other places. You just gotta pay attention. You might have to look funny making these steps, but it definitely can be done. You know what I'm saying? You might have to walk a little distances because you know you gotta find paths, and you just step where other people have stepped, and then you're here. Modern Salon Studio. All right, so good morning. I'm just getting in. You see, it's 9:15, and we had a snowstorm last night. So there's something called a forecast. You know, they give it to you on the news channel. And what that does is it helps you to prepare on what's going to happen in terms of the weather in the days to come. So we all knew that it was going to snow today. In fact, it started snowing last night and early in the day yesterday. So my client clearly decided to wait too late, okay, to dig out or address her car. I was able to get here on time. I've been in the parking lot already waiting for 20 minutes. I only give 15-minute grace period, and they know this, okay? And they know, and I know, I'm back to back today. I have an 11 a.m. coming in today as well. It takes me, no matter who you are, no matter how much hair or less hair you have, it takes 30 minutes to detox. It takes me 15 minutes to shampoo. No, it takes me about 20-25 minutes because my shampoo is amazing. Then I need to come back. I need to blow you out. And for her, I curl her, okay? And sometimes her scalp takes 40 to 45 minutes because she doesn't really like to manage and maintain in between sessions like I highly recommend. So she then advises me that her ETA is 9:25. Ooh. Now, my policy clearly states it's an automatic cancellation if you're going to be 15 minutes late. But she made it quite clear, I'm on my way. So, because she's a long-term client, she's only been in my chair 2 or 3 years. That's not that long, but she's been with me consistently. She canceled at the last minute before too, because she realized that either traffic or something she told me was the problem with getting here. So this isn't the first time. So here's where I'm gonna stick it to her, because you have to learn how to manage a schedule when you're behind the chair professionally. So I don't want to lose the client. She is on her way, so she is going to be advised that I don't have time to do her scalp today. That's going to shake her because she's also a VIP. So she's also going to realize today that she's never paid me for it, and that was a part of my free trial and research study that they were all my clients have been under over the past 2 years. So sometimes you have to pivot and adjust. So this is what I'm now beginning to understand that I'm about to be able to do for all, not just stylists, all and any beauty professional. I have strong business strategies that help to make me remain a professional as well as my business. So I'm now prepared to offer you the same knowledge and strategies that have helped me to scale and leverage my business in addition to maintaining a very large clientele base and still managing exceptional time management. Welcome to your final session. You are 14 days post-session from the last time you saw me, and look at this manageability that you were able to manage. Have you washed your hair since the last session?
No.
No? Have you put any product in your hair?
No.
No? What? What?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? And hasn't your hair loss decreased?
Very much.
Yes, and your hair now is staying this manageable without us using conditioner, no protein, no keratin.
Yeah.
Good job. Let's get on with this final session. Along the course of my career, I've set out to find a different way. I've looked at things like, why does our hair grow so slow? Why do we have these flakes? Why does our scalp itch? And with all of that, I have found a new approach that is really making a difference and allowing us to experience a different type of hair care for your hair. Now, I'll be honest with you. I've already mastered my approach from behind the chair, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to offer you an amazing opportunity to not only maximize your earning potential, but also increase your clientele base by learning how to administer a holistic scalp detox from behind your chair. Let me tell you why you want to take this training. Not only does holistic scalp detoxing provide an amazing massage to the client that not only increases blood flow to the surface, but we all know that this is the catalyst to hair growth, but you're also going to kill two birds with one stone by lifting any dandruff, aka psoriasis, that may be on the surface. This is going to minimize your client's hair loss, which is a win-win for everyone involved. For 2 hours of your time, you're going to learn a holistic scalp detox, which is not only going to help you know and understand what it is, but it also is going to help you to understand why it builds and what to do to minimize it and manage it. So I encourage you to register today.